Question number 1. Which shortcut key is used to close the current window in Ms. Word? Your option is A. Ctrl plus S. B. Ctrl plus P. C. Ctrl plus W. The correct option for this question is C. Ctrl plus W. Question number 2. Select all the content of a document. Your option is A. Ctrl plus A. B. Ctrl plus S. C. Shift plus A. The correct option for this question is A. Ctrl plus A. Question number 3. Which function key is used to spell check and grammar check in document? Your option is A. F3, B. F5, C. F7. The correct option for this question is C. F7. Question number 4. Open the help window. Your option is A. F1, B. F2, C. F3. The correct option for this question is A. F1. Question number 5. Go to the end of the current line. Your option is A. End, B. Control plus End, C. Shift plus End. The correct option for this question is A. End. Question number 6. Make the selected text bold. Your option is A. Alt plus B, B. Control plus B, C. Shift plus O. The correct option for this question is B. Control plus B. Question number 7. Find all the occurrences of a specific text in a document. Your option is A. Control plus O, B. Control plus F, C. Control plus G. The correct option for this question is B. Control plus F. Question number 8. Undo the last action performed. Your option is A. Control plus Z, B. Control plus U, C. Control plus Y. The correct option for this question is A. Control plus Z. Question number 9. Switch between two or more open programs. Your option is A. Alt plus Tab, B. Control plus Tab, C. Tab. The correct option for this question is A. Alt plus Tab. Question number 10. Copy the selected text. Your option is A. Control plus C, B. Control plus Y, C. Control plus X. The correct option for this question is A. Control plus C. Question number 11. Open the font dialog box. Your option is A. Alt plus F, B. Control plus D, C. Alt plus D. The correct option for this question is B. Control plus D. Question number 12. Underline the selected text. Your option is A. Control plus U, B. Shift plus U, C. Control plus L. The correct option for this question is A. Control plus U. Question number 13. Save the open document. Your option is A. Shift plus O, B. Shift plus S, C. Control plus S. The correct option for this question is C. Control plus S. Question number 14. Print a document. Your option is A. Alt plus P, B. Control plus P, C. Control plus R. The correct option for this question is A. Alt plus P. Question number 15. Control plus Y is used for. Your option is A. Undo, B. Redo, C. Save the document. The correct option for this question is B. Redo.